That was a fun time at the water park. Fortunately, we couldn't get any filming done. We're now inside the West Edmonton Mall on the first floor. We're crossing a bridge now.
Where's the sea lion?
They only come out during their show. This is a little area where the sea lions do their show. See, show times 2 and 4 p.m. Well, you wanted to go see the ship, no?
Yeah. Are we going?
Yeah. Sea lions do their show here every 2 and 4 p.m. Gotta try to catch that one of these days. Yeah, thank you. Then back there we got the Santa Maria,
I want to go take a picture of it.
which I'm surprised they still have since it's one of Christopher Columbus' ships. People are so against him nowadays. Let's see if we can get to it. Feel nice and refreshed after all that swimming in the pool. This is the area where sea lions do their show. The bridge, you can watch it from. Lots of coins down there.
Don't eat it.
Sea lions rock back there.
Tried it, it sucked.
And then way to the back we have the Santa Maria. Look at that. And the only mall to have a ship indoors. They're rented out for parties, birthday parties, business parties, Christmas parties, etc. There's a rowboat down there.
Hey, where's the Bourbon Street?
And take a look at the ship. It's an actual ship. Made fake coral reef underneath. It's cool. Definitely be fun to have a party up there. See, all aboard for private parties, corporate receptions, weddings, and other small gatherings for under 50 people right now because of COVID. Too bad it's closed in. I'd love to go up and see it. Look, we got pirates back there climbing onto the ship. We got some sand. No, it's closed. It's only for private events, especially right now for COVID. It's a cool ship. We've been swimming for a while, so we're gonna go get a bite to eat. Then let's see what we find and continue exploring West Edmonton Mall. Enter to win a 2018 Ferrari 488 Spider. Raw date September 6, 2021. $20 for one ticket, $40 for 4, and $60 for 10. Wow, look at that beauty. What would you do if you won that? Oh, look inside. Wow. Definitely gonna buy a ticket for that. Check that out. She's a beauty. Let's get a ticket. Do you accept debit for the tickets? Can you pay by debit card for tickets? Yeah? Okay, I'll take one, please. Yeah. Step. Alright, then I just enter my information. Okay. Let's do this. Alright. Put it in and thank you. Oh, sorry. I'm taking your pen. And hopefully on September 6th we get an email that says, congratulations, you're the proud owner of a Ferrari.
6 months later.
Psych!
Oh, no.
This mall is so big, they have their own ice skating rink inside. Check that out. whole giant ice skating rink. Not many people on it right now, but that's crazy. How can you have a mall so big? For those of you who don't know, the West Edmonton Mall is the largest mall in all of Canada. That's how. Check it out. Down there below, there's a whole go-kart track inside the West Edmonton Mall. Let's see if we can find our way there. In this part here, they have the Galaxy Land. It's like a whole bunch of carnival rides, we call it, roller coasters and different stuff as well. Let's see if we can get a little glimpse. They're closed already for the night, but see if we can walk past and get a little glimpse. Merry-go-rounds. Got a huge roller coaster up there. Whole bunch of rides. You can see at fairs and stuff. Let me get this through the bars so we can see better. Look at that. Slides. Whole bunch of different rides. It's cool. It's called Galaxy Land. And it's also all inside of the West Edmonton Mall. There's much more of it, but it closed at 7 p.m. It's just a few minutes after. Couldn't make it in time. Go this way. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's the entrance to the go-karts. But we're not going to be able to see the track, so apparently you gotta get in line and pay right here. So we're not going to be able to see more of the go-karts. Let's just follow this fence, see if we can see more of Galaxy Land. Look at that. Somebody forgot to turn this one machine off. It's still on. It's the Bob the Builder machine. He forgot to turn that one off.
Welcome to Toyland. Come and meet my friends.
That's funny. We're back this side at the food court, and there's nowhere else to go in this way, so that's it for Galaxy Land. Let's walk to some other part of the mall and see what we can find. Look at that. This is how it's done. Custom printing on the cap. That's cool. Kind of a big deal. Make Canada great again. That's good. Make Trudeau a drama teacher again. I think I'm definitely gonna buy that one. 100%. Make Trudeau a drama teacher. Oh boy, look at that one underneath. How much for this one?
That one is 34. I know. That one is a great.
That's funny, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, I'll take it. I'll pay debit.
Butter.
I'm from BC. They love him over there, but
You're welcome.
that's awesome.
The other Trudeau one I got a hide.
The Trudeau. Yeah, I saw it.
There's also that one.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's like the old Trudeau with his dad one.
It looks like a city.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Yeah, I can imagine people get pissed about it.
Yeah, the one at least man, he's like, hey, you can't have that out there. He covers it up.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Look at that. Make Trudeau a drama teacher again. That's some creative art. Look at that. It's supposed to be a whale tail splashing out of the ground. And on that side, it's the whale head coming out of the water. That's cool. And can you go inside? Ooh, you can crawl inside of the whale's mouth and have a seat. That's neat. I like neat art like that. It's really interesting. Makes malls so much more fun.